So friends, welcome to my channel. If you are unable to chat in your Roblox mobile and your send button will be missing, so watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why send button is not showing in your Roblox chat or how to fix this problem. But the question is, where is send button? So watch this video till end. When you see your chat keyboard here, there is no send button are showing in Roblox chat. But when you focus on this blue button here, the blue button of enter, so you have to long press when you type your chat in your Roblox mobile. You have to long press at this enter button. After long press this button, the send button will be appears on your screen. So after typing your chat, press the send button and your chat will be sent. I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.